In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the list of projects in Google Cloud Console step by step. This is really useful if you manage multiple Google Cloud projects and want to quickly see, organize, or switch between them without confusion. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Google Cloud or an admin managing several environments, this method works for everyone. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more simple Google Cloud and software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Cloud Console by visiting console.cloud.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to your Google Cloud projects. Once the console loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the navigation menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that navigation menu. This will open up the main menu, where all Google Cloud services and settings are located. From this menu, scroll down until you find IAM and Admin. Click on IAM and Admin to expand the section. Inside this section, you'll see several options related to access control, roles, and project management. From here, click on Manage Resources. This is the key section where Google Cloud lists all the projects and folders that your account has access to. Once the Manage Resources page loads, you'll see a table showing your projects. This list includes important details, like the project name, project ID, project number, and the organization or folder the project belongs to. You can scroll through this list to view all your projects in one place. If you have many projects, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific project by name or project ID. You can also sort the list by clicking on the column headers, which makes it easier to organize and manage large numbers of projects. From this page, you can also click on any project name to open it directly in the Google Cloud Console. This makes switching between projects fast and efficient, especially if you're working across multiple environments, like development, staging, and production. If you're an admin, this page is also where you can manage folders, move projects, or review resource organization across your account. Once you're done reviewing your project list, you can simply navigate back to the dashboard or select the project you want to work on. And that's it. You've successfully checked the list of projects in Google Cloud Console using the IAM and Admin Manage Resources section. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Cloud tutorials and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.